In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text box in DocuSign. If you've ever needed someone to type in details like a project number, a delivery note, or any custom information on a document you're sending for signature, a text box is exactly what you want. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence the next time you prepare an envelope. First, log into your DocuSign account and upload the document you want to send. This could be a PDF, Word file, or a common form you use. Add your recipient's details so DocuSign knows who will receive and complete the document. Double check the email addresses and names to avoid delays. When you're ready, click next to move into the tagging screen where you'll add fields. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the text field. It's typically represented by a T icon or a small document symbol. This is the field that lets signers type in their own information as they complete the envelope. Click the text field and drag it onto the page. Position it exactly where you want the signer to enter information. You'll see handles on the corners. Use those to resize the box so it's wide enough for what you expect them to type. If you're placing multiple fields, take a moment to align them neatly so the form looks clean. Zoom in if you need more precision, especially on smaller lines or tight sections. By the way, if you need DocuSign or want to create an account, I've added a direct link to the official website at the very top of the description to make it easy for you to get started. With the text box selected, look to the right-hand panel to configure its properties. You can mark it as required, so the signer must fill it before sending the document back. Adjust the font, size, and formatting so it matches the style of your document. If there's default information you want to appear, you can pre-fill the text. This is useful for placeholders like type your notes here or enter your employee ID. If you're sending to multiple people, make sure the field is assigned to the correct recipient so only the intended person can edit it. When you've placed all your fields, click Preview to confirm everything looks and behaves the way you expect. Check spacing, alignment, and whether required fields are clearly indicated. If everything looks good, hit Send to finalize the envelope. That's it. You've added a text box in DocuSign like a pro. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.